Imagine living in a world where less truly means more, both for you and the planet. Minimalism isn't just a trend. It's a transformative lifestyle that emphasizes financial freedom and sustainability. As we drown in consumerism, it's time to reevaluate what we truly need and cherish. The beauty industry is a major contributor to environmental damage, but it doesn't have to be this way. Discover the secrets to reading beauty product labels to find eco-friendly and cruelty-free options. Would you believe that what you wear and use daily has a lasting impact on our planet? Sustainable fashion can be stylish, affordable, and contribute to a healthier environment. By embracing circular economy principles, we can reshape the future of both fashion and beauty industries. Our top tip is to make mindful choices each time you shop. Small decisions lead to massive changes.